For a ride on Skidoo there, guys. It's called the Stanford Stroke. Back years ago we got a carver right there. And that barn right there. Wife shot her first one, I believe. I've shot one over there. Behind this ridge is a knob hooked there. We got 2 or 3 me brothers. Yeah, let's look at the Black River Pond. 26 miles on the round. Lovely day. Gonna have a storm starting early in the morning. Upwards of 60 centimeters. High winds about 110 to 120 kilometers wind. Not gonna be so nice tomorrow. Not a draft of wind there today, no. Great for a ride. Anyhow, we're gonna get on the go again. We're on Black River Ridge there, guys. I'd say probably you've seen this area before. Pond down there. I don't know if you see this hill over there. Right there, the center's hill, behind Sunnyside. Probably might get a chance to get out there on the year on Skidoo, hopefully. Black Brook Pond there. Called the Country Mash, shoot across there. Bit of a mile, I guess. Yeah, enjoying our day. Soon gotta go and have some supper. Should rather kill.
Yes, we should have.
Never thought of it. We're only going in for a quick run. End up getting 40 miles on it now, I guess. Yeah, anyway, guys. Talk to you in a while. Hello, folks. We are doing a bit of a coyote calling there now. As you can see right there. Got my little twirler going. And I got on cottontail. And look all over around there, the track speed and trail right there. It goes up across there. Yeah, so yeah. So I'm at there this evening now. I'm just gonna turn on the speaker there for the cottontail now in a few minutes. Yeah, so hopefully won the show. Great little spot to go straight up there in that channel right there. Hey guys, I'll check back in with you later. Hello folks, we got a blizzard. Yeah, sometimes you can't see the house across the road. I was gonna take one outdoors, but it's no good. You wouldn't hear me in here. Cleared up there now a bit. Yeah, it's supposed to get 115 kilometer-hour winds this evening. 115, 120. We got about 60, 65 centimeters of snow that's going to come down. But with that wind, it's not going to go nowhere. It's only going out in the woods somewhere. Yeah, it's wicked. I'm doing a project home now. I need a new wallet, so I'm in the process of making one. I'll probably give you a look at after. Almost gotten done now. Yep. She's coming down, what? Wicked. Hey guys, talk to you once. She's a blustery one. 10,000 people in St. John's, he says now got no power. Won't be too long before we lose hours, I guess. And yeah, the phone's all watered up. Only turned on for a second, so gotta go. Yeah, she's striking there now pretty good. I say 3-4 foot drifts in that driveway tomorrow now. Yeah, it's getting upward to 80 to 100 there now, and midnight is going to hit 115, 120. Look at that. Not good. Good time on skidoo later on getting stuck, I suppose. Anyway guys, that's another update. I'll give one at this, what now, 5:30 or something. I'll look at it again around 7. Alright, take care. Yep, folks, it's 7 o'clock there now, and it's hitting 100 kilometers, 110 kilometers there now, gusting. Steady wind at 68, 70, that's kilometers an hour. We got a skidoo there by the shed there. Go to it right there. It's almost buried with snow already. Yeah, it looks like we got a lot of baling to do tomorrow. And the tarp on mine skidoo don't look very good. I think I'm gonna lose that one. Hey guys, it's another update there. Probably do another one at 9 o'clock. It's not a very good night. Yeah, she's still pounding at us there, guys. It's about 105 to 110 gusses. Still at it. Breaks off every now and then and comes back at it again. Yeah. Be over in the morning. I guess it's gonna be cold. That's it. Get the storm over with. I was making up a leather wallet there today now and boarding it. So here's a look at it. All finished. Got my initials engraved in it. Need a new one. Mine was pretty well wore out. Yeah. Yep, getting stashed up. Gonna try it for a couple of weeks there now and see how it works out. I got instead dyed with Bison Brown, I think it is. Yeah. Yeah. That's it for this video. I'm gonna upload now and whenever that's no power yet. And it's a lot of digging out tomorrow, I guess. So anyway guys, take care and all the best.